Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank Honorable Usamati for the questions. Mr. Speaker, sir, for the general information for the Honorable House, Cabinet had in June 2024 endorsed Fiji hosting of the 8th Melanesian Arts and Cultural Festival in 2026. In doing so, it also tasked the Ministry of Itaukei Affairs, Culture, Heritage and Arts to establish a national task force that would be responsible for the overall coordinations and successful implementations of the festival. Mr. Speaker, MacFest is a flagship cultural event of the Melanesian Spearhead Group, and amongst its priority objectives was to promote regional solidarity, cultural preservations, and artistic exchange among the Melanesian countries. The festival is more than celebration, but a space for higher level dialogue and talanoa between Melanesian cultural ministers and heads of culture. It provides an opportunity to discuss relevant cultural issues and challenges each member continues to face. It also provides a platform for the leaders to develop and foster sustainable livelihoods and cultural well-being for their people. Mr. Speaker, government in the current financial year 2025-2026 allocated 1 million to assist the National Task Force to kick-start their preparation and implementations of the festival. This initial allocation was to fund the setup of the MacFest Secretariat, identification of accommodations, venue for cultural programs, and other key areas essential for Fiji's successful hosting of the festival. Mr. Speaker, the National Task Force Committee for MacFest was established, chaired by the Ministry of Itaukei Affairs, with the Honorable William Poto, Minister for Immigrations, as Deputy Chair. Members include representatives of key government agencies and statutory institutions, including the Suva Municipal Council. Other organizations, including individual experts and practitioners, other government officials with experience in past similar festivals, were also co-opted in to be members of various subcommittees. These were established to develop, coordinate, and implement specific areas for the National Task Force MacFest Secretariat function. Mr. Speaker, the terms of reference with the legal advice by the Solicitor General's Office, the terms of reference for the MacFest was finalized. This was to help guide the work of the committee with respect to governance issues that may arise from the festival organization. The first meeting for the MacFest National Task Force was convened on 22 September 2025, with full committee members present. The MacFest National Task Force Committee had met 3 times since its inauguration. A secretariat proper was established with the office space offered by the Fiji Art Council at the St. Stephen's Building. A staff of the Department of Culture, Heritage and Arts was seconded to the Secretariat to arrange preliminary administrative, financial and logistic support required by the National Task Force. A professional task appointment includes the MacFest Festival Director, the Cultural Program Advisor, after a thorough selection process. The 2 experts have widely consulted with leading Fijian artists, cultural practitioners in the different art forms to ensure that their ideas, expertise, and views are sorted to aid the preparations of the festival. Mr. Speaker, the proposed date was from the 14th of November to the 28th of November this year, in coinciding with the availability of accommodation venue for visiting delegations, including our own. This was to align with the USP semester break, minimizing academic disruption, and maximizing accommodation capacity. Mr. Speaker, Suva City will serve as a central hub for all performance, exhibitions, and official engagement, including the opening and closing ceremonies. The MacFest schedule for week 1 and 2, the opening and closing ceremonies and core events in Suva. Week 2 is the regional outreach with delegations deployed to satellite venues for regional exhibitions. The USP student lodging facilities were proposed to house the delegations from MSG countries and invited cultural groups. This is in line with the USP semester break after their final exam. Mr. Speaker, sir, each MSG members countries is to send 100 personnel delegation, inclusive of performers, officials, and support staff. The host agreement is being finalized for and endorsed and have the consultations with the MSG Secretariat. This will be provided to participating countries to guide them in their preparations for the festival. The comprehensive festival working plan has been finalized, outlining key milestones, responsibilities, and timelines. This includes infrastructure support, cultural programming, and communications. Mr. Speaker, sir, at the March sitting of Cabinet, we submitted an update on the preparations thus far on MacFest. Having considered the major government programs currently scheduled for November window this year, government had decided to defer the 8th MacFest Festival to 2027. This shift blends well with the local financial climate currently bearing on Fiji as a result of the major global fuel situations around the world. This deferment would provide the country with sufficient time to gather a more realistic, wholesome picture of the local, regional implications of the current worldwide event. On the second part of the question, the Ministry of iTaukei Affairs is responsible for the preparation of MacFest, as it is the responsible for the cultural, heritage, and arts for the iTaukei, with members from the Director of Culture Heritage has been seconded as a secretary for the 8th MacFest 2026. We now will have Mr. Speaker.
I thank the Honourable Vasu, the Minister for iTaukei Affairs. Supplementary question from